Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Any Tech Vids. Today I am going to explain you how to install Apache with SSL certificate on Centos 8. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started now. So for your reference, I have installed one VM on Centos 8 and I am taking the access through SSH. So before starting installing the package, we have to do some prerequisite, which is first of all I am going to disable the firewall of Centos 8, and to do that I have run one command, and the command is systemctl stop space firewall d. With this I'm going to disable the firewall, and I also run one more command, which is disable the firewall if it is after rebooting the server. Okay, so my next command is to install the Apache package, and to do that I am running this command yum install httpd. Press enter, press Y to install this, press Y again. So it's installed now. After that I am put the command systemctl start httpd to start the Apache package, and run enable command to start the Apache package if my server getting rebooted. With this I am able to browse my basic Apache server. If I am going to check this 192.168.1.7. okay, so my default web page is coming now. Okay, so further I am going to change the host name of my server just to check with the FQDN. So for this I am going to put this etc host name, and here I'm putting some random FQDN like apache.demo.com, and save this. The same I am putting in my host file to resolve the host name out of this. Okay, so my next command is to install the mod SSL package for SSL. And to do that I am running the command yum install mod underscore SSL. Press Y. Now my next command is systemctl start mod underscore SSL. Oh, okay, for that I have to restart the HTTP package only. There is no need to run this command because it's not a package. So I have restart my HTTP service. So I have put my country code, state like ABC. In your case you have to put your state where you are residing, locality, organization name, unit ID, and this host name of the server, Apache server, that which is apache.demo.com, in the email ID postmaster.demo.com. So after doing that I have to create one configuration file, vi space slash etc httpd conf.d demo.conf, and here I put some parameters, which is virtual host star colon 443 server name apache.demo.com, document root, SSL engine, SSL cert file, SSL keychain file, okay, and the last one is we also put the redirection from HTTP to HTTPS from here. So for that, what I have to do, I am put some parameters for that. So for that, I have to put the parameter server name is demo.com, next is redirect to https://demo.com. The last one is okay. After that, I'm going to save this file and restart the Apache package. Okay, it works. So thank you guys, this is all from my side. For keep watching, and for upcoming videos please keep subscribe and like my channel.